What's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we're out here at this pond and we're gonna do some bass fishing. Throwing some spinner baits and jerk baits. Fall is here and the fish are biting, feeding up for the winter. So we should be able to get some hungry fish to bite. But yeah, it should be a good day out here. It is super windy out here today. I'm not sure how that's gonna be, but besides that, we should be able to catch some fish. There's a fish. Looks like a nice one. Going hard. Come on, boy. Let's go. First fish of the day. These fish are really starting to feed up now. Got a fat old guy on him. Getting ready for the winter. So these bass are hungry. There's a fish. On the jerkbait. Let's go.
Oh yeah, perfect timing.
Yeah.
You slaying them today or?
Well, I just got out here.
I'm sure.
It's not a bad one. There's one. Crank that. Let's go. A little bit smaller. Still not a bad fish.
See that fucker.
Not bad.
Not bad at all, man.
There's one. Let's go. That's a better one right there. He hit closer to the bank. That's a solid 2.5 pound. Just nice, healthy bass feeding up for the winter. Let's get him back. Oh. Fish on. Pulling pretty good. Nice little run. They are loving the jerkbait. Oh, he's barely hooked. Yes, dude. That's another fatty. They are loving the jerkbait. Nice fish. I upsized it a bit. I was using the smaller version of the Guggen Scout. I was using the junior. This is the regular sized. And put in some work. There's a little fish. Holy crap, this thing's small. It's crazy. It's the size of my lure. Holy crap, dude. Oh my gosh. I just got crushed so freaking hard. Jeez. I mean, he crushed that bait. Man, that was a good one for sure. Oh, another tiny one. Man, still managed to get all the treble hooks in them. Yeah. Oh, that's one. There we go. Still can't believe I lost that big one earlier. That sucks. I don't even know how big it was, but it hit so hard. This guy hit it pretty good too. Let's get him back. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today. This wind is just unreal. It's picked up way too much. It's about to blow me across this golf course. So I'm getting out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys liked the video, make sure to subscribe for more. Drop a comment, and I'll see you guys next time.